Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a newsletter in ConvertKit so you can easily share updates, announcements, or blog posts with your audience. First, log in to your ConvertKit account. From the top menu, click on the Send tab, and then select Broadcasts. This is where you'll create your newsletter. Next, click on the New Broadcast button. This opens up a blank email editor where you'll write your newsletter. Select an email template that fits your style. You can use one of ConvertKit's default designs or choose a custom template you've already created. Now, enter your email subject line and write your newsletter content. You can include text, links, images, or even emojis to make it engaging. To make your newsletter feel more personal, use subscriber tags like their first name. Click the plus icon and choose Subscriber First Name. After writing your newsletter, click Continue and choose who should receive it: all subscribers, a specific segment, or those with certain tags. Before sending, preview your email to make sure everything looks great. Once you're happy, click Send Now or schedule it for later. And that's it! You've successfully created your newsletter in ConvertKit. Regular newsletters are a great way to stay connected and build stronger relationships with your subscribers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ConvertKit tutorials.